The Franklin County District Attorney wants his county commissioners to decide whether a grand jury should resolve a boundary dispute involving a powerful local sheriff. By law, grand juries can request official surveys in any boundary dispute.
Our I-Team raised questions about a county map that suddenly changed and whether Banks County Sheriff Carlton Speed actually lives in Banks County. Senior I-Team reporter Dale Russell says one question facing Franklin County is, are they losing tax revenue?
This dispute seems largely to be the product of political squabblings between the two different parties.
Franklin County District Attorney Parks White says a long-simmering political controversy over whether Banks County Sheriff Carlton Speed actually lives in Banks County could soon be settled.
I'll need to bring it to the attention of the county commissioners of Franklin County and see if they wish to have the Franklin County grand jury request a survey to determine where the county lines should be and whether or not they actually believe there is a dispute that needs to be resolved.
It's funny that we have these issues that keep coming up from the same person.
Last week, the I-Team reported about that dispute between Banks County Sheriff Speed and former state representative Dan Gassaway over where Sheriff Speed lives.
Well, we found numerous errors.
2 years ago, during an election loss court challenge, then State Representative Gassaway argued Sheriff Speed shouldn't have voted in Banks County because he actually lived in Franklin County. Sheriff Speed's key evidence was this survey showing the county line bending around his house. It was drawn by his wife's uncle, who has since passed away.
From what I don't really know him.
Karen Burry, head of the Banks County GIS department, backed the sheriff up. She testified she created this map when the sheriff's residency was questioned in 2015. It shows the boundary line curving around Sheriff Speed's home. She called it a kink in the line. The judge ruled evidence in the case showed Sheriff Speed lived in Banks County.
We feel completely vindicated.
Ultimately, Gassaway won in court but lost his re-election. But he didn't give up. He hired a certified surveyor who used the Banks County description written into Georgia law in 1858 to map the area around Sheriff Speed's home. That curved line around the sheriff's house is gone. The survey shows a perfectly straight boundary line and Sheriff Speed's property completely in Franklin County.
I really believe a middle school kid on his computer can connect those dots and see what we're saying is true.
The line has been set by a person that was paid by Mr. Gassaway to pull the line. So he's never wrong.
But there's more. The I-Team examined Banks County's own official maps over the years. We found the official Banks County map from 2016. But look closer. There's that straight boundary line west of the sheriff's home. In fact, you can see his house is clearly in Franklin County. But then the map changed. 2019, the boundary line now wraps around the sheriff's home, putting him in Banks County. When did the internet map change? According to the Internet Archives, less than 2 weeks before Dan Gassaway walked into a court of law to legally challenge where Sheriff Carlton Speed lived and voted. GIS analyst Karen Burry first wrote us, "I have made no changes to the boundary data in the referenced area." When we sent her the maps, she suddenly remembered there were two different maps. She wrote that differences were found in her data files, and she used Sheriff Speed's private survey done by his wife's family member and earlier tax maps to validate the correct data. She couldn't remember when she put the maps on the internet.
Are you saying essentially that if there's a problem, it's a Banks County problem?
Absolutely.
Franklin County DA Parks White says he can't begin to imagine a county boundary would be changed just to benefit a candidate. For one reason, it could be illegal to do so.
Improperly altering official documents and filing them can be a criminal act, yes.
White says that's an issue for Banks County. As for the boundary line dispute, White says the sitting grand jury in Franklin County can request an official survey be drawn to put the issue to rest. But he wants Franklin County commissioners to first determine if Franklin County is hurt by the boundary dispute. For example, is Franklin County losing property tax revenue if the sheriff and other homeowners are paying Banks County taxes when they're actually located in Franklin County.
It would be up to them to make a determination of whether or not it is in the interest of the county to even to conduct any additional investigations.
Dale Russell, Fox 5 News.